Rhythm music. After a week, we started working with the beat and rhythm. We've noticed what we need to do is ask the student to figure out how many beats are in the music. So here is what we do. There are two ways to know how many beats are in the music. First, listen the strong beat. That is the first beat. Here's an example. And the student can figure out this is a 3 beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second, listen the accompaniment parts. 1, the chord changes after 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So student count 4 and they figure out the music is 4 beat. We start beat practice from very easy music. Here is what we do. This is a 2-beat music. After students figure out 2 beats, they clap on the first beat and count together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Next is this music. This is a 3-beat music. It might be a little tricky to figure out the 3 beats. In that case, we can put the beat. We count 3 together and the student clap on the first beat. There's another music. Ask the student to listen left-hand accompaniment, how they are moving, and they figure out the music is 4 beat. So we count together and the student can clap on the first beat. 1, 2, 3.